Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Padma's Universe. My name is Padma and it is so nice to be back with this auspicious happy video vlog, Pongal vlog, and I was apparently absent for such a long time. I think last vlog was Diwali vlog. So wish you all a very happy new year 2019, and this is my very first upload video of this year, and also wish you a very happy Pongal, belated wishes, happy Sankranti. And we are busy doing the pre-prep, and I'm so happy to present to you my very good looking the traditional clay furnace. This is the mitti ka chulha which I recently got from Pondicherry, and I'm really surprised to tell you that the cost of this furnace chulha is only 180 bucks. That's it. And I'm going to be posting my Pondicherry vlogs also. So I was busy working on my Tamil channel. I have started my Tamil channel called Tamilachi Padma Vlogs.
வணக்கம், ஹாப்பி பொங்கல். பொங்கல் நாள் வாழ்த்துகள். சைடு என் ஃபேமிலி சைடில் இருந்து உங்களுக்கு உங்கள் ஃபேமிலிக்கு நிறைய பொங்கல் வாழ்த்துகள். ஹாப்பி பொங்கல். ஐ வாண்ட் டு சே ஹாப்பி பொங்கல். ஹாப்பி பொங்கல். சின்ன ఇక్కడ హ్యాపీ పొంగల్ చెప్తున్నా. హ్యాపీ పొంగల్.
So I'm talking in Tamil, and I've already uploaded this video in my Tamil channel, which is Tamilachi Padma Vlogs, and if you're interested, I'll give you the link below in the description box. You can check it out. So I wanted to make my pongal in this traditional clay pot, but then the size is very small and the quantity of rice which I'm going to be cooking is a little more. So I need to switch. So I thought I'll make pongal in the pressure cooker, but then again I had a change of mind because pressure cooker is not very good to when I'm talking about tradition and stuff, and especially to make pongal. So then I used my steel bartan, the big steel pot which I had. So the pre-prep is all done. So now we'll be inaugurating my beautiful mitti ka chulha, and my son was so helpful. He was having so much fun actually. I would love to, the village, this is a harvest festival, open fields, lots of greenery around, and then the family and friends come together and then they cook. We pray to sun god. This festival is all about harvest sun. So you can't actually afford to do all this when you're living in a teeny tiny apartment, and this is my balcony and this is the best I could do, and I'm very happy with the limited available resources, and especially I wanted to give that pongal feel to my kids. So I thought why not make this special, and this is the best I could, and I'm so happy and proud of myself. And so we are praying. So I put this turmeric and sindoor, and then we started off in the very most auspicious authentic way possible. So my son, and of course I'm not leaving him alone near the chulha because me and my husband are constantly keeping an eye. Just that he was so excited, so he wanted to be right near it, watching and enjoying every bit of it. And in fact, the entire family was so happy, and the flame is doing good now, bright and beautiful and really loud, the flame. So the water is boiling, so I'm going to be adding my rice, which I already soaked in water, the rice and dal. So the pongal, I'm going to be making the sweeter version of pongal, not the savory version. We call it sakarai pongal, or the sweet pongal, and we add lot of ghee, that is clarified butter. More you add, more the tastier it will become. And of course lots and lots of dry fruits. If you want, you can also add milk to give it a creamy rich consistency. I'm going to be adding 80% water and probably 20% milk, and then at the end of it I'm going to garnish dry fruits, roast it in ghee, and then add it, and that's it. The pongal is done. So here I'm adding my soaked rice, and I'm also going to be adding a little bit of dal, the moong dal, which you can also skip, that is optional. So I am so happy. Yash is totally into it, and I'm happy that I'm able to give him that experience. It's an experience. Everything is an experience here, first time. So pongal is cooking away happily. So post pongal, after the puja, we didn't make anything. I didn't make anything. That's it, because for lunch we're going to be heading to my mom's house, and that's it. This is the jaggery syrup which we will be adding. So this is actually very healthy. It's a very healthy sweet dish. We have nothing unhealthy here. All the ingredients are super healthy. So that's it. The pongal was a little watery in texture, which usually I don't know, I made it in an open pot. Otherwise I usually make it in pressure cooker. So we all had a little bit of it, and then I'm gonna be coming back after lunch, and in the evening, once the pongal settles down, once the moisture evaporates and it gets solidified a little, I'm gonna be distributing my pongal to all my neighbors. So we are ready to go for lunch, and it was nice. The taste was really good, sweet, except for the texture, which is a little watery. Otherwise the taste was good. It was fine. So let's go to my mom's house for lunch. I'm back home, and this is how the pongal looks like. The time is around 5:30 now. So had an extensive, awesome lunch at mom's house, and I also packed lots of food. So I'm sorted for the day. No dinner making routine as such. So here's my pongal. So actually I have to distribute this to my neighbors, and my husband suggested that I come back from my mom's house and do it because the texture was liquidy then. Now it's it's better. It's improved so much, and the taste is fine. Even my parents said that it tastes good. So now I have to do that. Now here's my boxes which has come from my mom's house, and my neighbors have also shared their bit of goodies. So lots of food here. So sambar, this thing. So I'm sorted for the day. No cooking. Tomorrow is also taken care actually. So much of sambar and badas and everything here. So guys, I hope you like the short sweet vlog, and I hope to keep uploading and not take long breaks in the future. And I'll give you the link in the description box below, my Tamil channel link. So there the milk is boiling, for we're going to be having some tea or coffee. And that's it. I'll wind up my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon, another vlog or video. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.